Welcome back to another episode of Shanay Meets World. Today's video is highly requested. Today I am going to be teaching you phrases for hygiene in Moroccan Arabic. These phrases are perfect for people that decide to visit Morocco and they want the local experience. I know a lot of people travel to Morocco and they want to do these in-house experiences. They want to live like a local. And so the phrases that I'm going to share with you today are going to give you the language that you need to really enjoy these experiences and get out of it what you hope to gain. With practice, you will be able to build relationships with the families that you stay with when you visit Morocco. Before we get into it, I just want to remind you all that I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't already found out how you can participate in supporting me in this journey, watch my last video, Black Girl Teaching Moroccan Arabic, Numbers. That video will give you all of the details you need to know about qualifying for my giveaway. I thank everyone who has participated in the journey thus far to 1,000 subscribers and who have participated in the giveaway. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm looking forward to picking a winner for this giveaway. I'm super excited. The first phrase is I want to wash my hands. أنا بغيت نغسل يدين بالصابون. أنا بغيت نغسل يدين بالصابون. The second phrase is I want to brush my teeth. أنا بغيت نغسل snani. أنا بغيت نغسل snani. The third phrase is I want hot water, please. أنا بغيت الماء سخون عفاك. أنا بغيت الماء سخون عفاك. The fourth phrase, I want to take a shower. أنا بغيت n-duwsh. أنا بغيت n-duwsh. The fifth phrase, I want to go to the hammam. أنا بغيت نمشي في الحمام. أنا بغيت نمشي في الحمام. The sixth phrase, I want to change my clothes. أنا بغيت نبدل الحوايج. أنا بغيت نبدل الحوايج. The seventh phrase, where is the toilet? فين كاين the toilet? فين كاين the toilet? The seventh phrase, I want to do laundry. أنا بغيت نسبن الحوايج. أنا بغيت نسبن الحوايج. And the eighth phrase is where can I do laundry? فين يمكن نسبن الحوايج؟ فين يمكن نسبن الحوايج? Put these phrases on repeat and practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident you become in speaking the language. Trust me, I know from experience. It took so much practice for me to confidently speak Moroccan Arabic. And for your next experience in Morocco, whether you're going to be moving there or whether you're planning to visit, these phrases will really help you navigate the country and connect with locals. So I encourage you to practice the language and also check out my other videos on Moroccan Arabic. I did a lesson on numbers and negotiation. And these are great phrases to have so that you can navigate Morocco like a pro. If you find this content helpful, please let me know and comment below if there are any other phrases that you would like to have a lesson on. I would be more than happy to create a video with more phrases for Moroccan Arabic. Remember to support me on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Until next time, bye.